Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Learn English with Confidence.
Hello, my beautiful learners around the world. Whether you're in India, Pakistan, or anywhere else, today's episode is going to be super useful.
Oh yes, because today we're diving into daily English conversation practice by topic.
Exactly. You'll learn how to talk about everyday situations, from morning routines to going shopping to talking about your job and even chatting with friends.
Basically, we're going to give you real English you can actually use every day.
So grab your notebook, sit back, and get ready to speak like a natural English speaker.
Let's start with a quick question. Have you ever frozen when someone said, "Hey, how's it doing?" and your brain just said, "Nothing?"
Oh, that happens to everyone. You know enough grammar, but when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank.
That's why today's episode is all about practical speaking practice.
We'll take you through 5 everyday topics: morning routine, at work, shopping, eating out, and making small talk, and give you natural, easy sentences for each one.
Morning routine. Okay, let's start with the most basic, your morning routine.
Right. This is something you do every day, so it's the best place to start practicing English.
So imagine it's 7 a.m. You wake up. What can you say in English?
You can say, I wake up at 7, or I get up early in the morning.
Let's list a few key verbs people use in their morning routine. Wake up, to stop sleeping. Example, I wake up at 6:30. Get up, to leave your bed. Example, I get up after 10 minutes. Brush my teeth. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Take a shower. I take a shower before breakfast. Get dressed. I get dressed for work or school. Have breakfast. I usually have bread and tea for breakfast. Leave for work or school. I leave home at 8 a.m.
Perfect. Now, let's show learners how to make it sound natural.
Okay, quick role play. Mini dialogue 1.
Hey, what time do you usually wake up?
Around 6:30, I like to start my day early. What about you?
I wish I could do that. I wake up at 8 and rush to get ready.
Same here sometimes. I just brush my teeth, take a shower, grab some coffee, and run out the door.
That's a classic I'm late morning.
For learners, you can also practice saying, I wake up late on weekends. Or, I like to drink tea in the morning. I listen to music while getting ready.
Yes, these are natural, easy sentences. Don't worry about making them perfect, just keep speaking.
At work or school. Okay, let's move to our second topic, talking about work or school.
This is so useful because everyone gets asked, what do you do? Or how's work going?
Let's learn some phrases you can use at work. I work as, job title. Example, I work as a nurse in a hospital. I'm responsible for, task. I'm responsible for handling customer calls. I have a meeting at 10 a.m. I'm busy these days. I work from home. I'm on a break right now. I study at school or university name.
Nice. Now, let's do a short dialogue so learners can hear it in action.
Mini dialogue 2.
At work.
Hey, how's work going these days?
Pretty busy. We have a big project this week.
Oh, sounds stressful. What kind of project?
It's a marketing campaign. I'm responsible for writing the social media posts.
Cool. I work from home, so my boss always sends me messages early in the morning.
The good morning, please finish this message.
Exactly. For learners, you can also practice saying, I'm studying for my exams. I have a lot of homework. I'm learning English to improve my career.
Yes, use these phrases to describe your daily work or study life.
Topic 3, shopping. All right, next is everyone's favorite, shopping.
Oh, yes. Whether it's clothes, food, or gadgets, we all shop. So let's learn how to talk about it in English.
Here are some common expressions. How much is this? To ask the price. It's too expensive. Do you have this in a smaller or larger size? Can I try it on? I'm just looking, thank you. Can I get a discount? I'll take it.
Nice list. Let's make a quick shopping conversation.
Mini Dialogue 3 Shopping.
Hello, we're excited to show you our native speech capabilities.
Excuse me, how much is this t-shirt?
It's $15.
It's a bit expensive. Do you have it in a smaller size?
Yes, here you go.
Great. Can I try it on?
Of course. The fitting room is over there,
Thanks. I think I'll take it.
where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started.
See how simple that was? You don't need complicated grammar to sound fluent. Just confidence.
And practice. Always practice speaking these sentences out loud.
Topic 4. Eating out, restaurant.
Now let's move to our fourth topic, eating out.
Oh, I love this one. We all go to restaurants, so you should know how to order food politely.
Here are a few common expressions you can use. 1. Can I have the menu, please? 2. I'd like to order a burger. 3. Can I get some water, please? 4. This is delicious. 5. Could I have the bill, please? 6. Do you accept cards or cash?
Great. Let's try a short restaurant role play.
Mini Dialogue 4. At a restaurant.
Good evening. Can I have the menu, please?
Sure, here you go. Our special today is grilled chicken.
Sounds tasty. I'd like to order 1 grilled chicken and a glass of orange juice.
Great choice. Would you like anything else?
No, that's all for now. Thank you.
You're welcome.
These are easy and polite sentences you can use anywhere in the world.
Exactly. And remember, always say please and thank you. It makes you sound polite and confident.
Small talk and social conversations.
Okay, our last topic, small talk.
Ah, yes, those little conversations that make big connections.
Right, like talking about the weather, hobbies, or weekend plans.
Here are some useful phrases. 1. How's it going? 2. What do you do in your free time? 3. That's interesting. 4. Really? Tell me more. 5. Nice to meet you. 6. Have a great day.
Mini Dialogue 5. Small talk.
Hey, long time no see. How's it going?
I'm good. Just busy with work. How about you?
Same here. I've been studying English and watching shows in English.
That's a great way to improve. What kind of shows do you like?
Mostly travel documentaries and English podcasts, like ours.
Nice promotion.
See? Small talk is simple. It's all about showing interest in others.
And don't be afraid of making mistakes. The goal is communication, not perfection.
Practice section.
All right, learners. Time for a quick practice challenge.
Repeat after us. 1. I wake up at 7 every morning. 2. I work as a teacher in a school. 3. How much is this shirt? 4. I'd like to order some pizza. 5. How's it going?
Great job. Now let's try fill in the blanks. 1. I blank my teeth every morning. Answer, brush. 2. I work blank a doctor. Answer, as. 3. Blank, I have the bill, please. Answer, could. 4. What do you do in your blank time? Answer, free. 5. It's too blank. Can I get a discount? Answer, expensive.
Nice. You're getting better every minute.
Audience engagement.
Now, we want to hear from you.
Yes, tell us in the comments. 1. What's your favorite topic to talk about in English? 2. Which of today's sentences do you use every day? And 3. And what's one English word you want to learn next?
We'll read your answers and maybe include them in the next episode.
Okay, let's quickly review today's topics.
We practiced daily English conversations by topic. 1. Morning routine. 2. Work or school. 3. Shopping. 4. Eating out. 5. Small talk.
And we learned some powerful daily phrases like, can I have the menu, please? I work as a. How's it going? I'll take it. Have a great day.
Remember, fluency comes from daily speaking practice. Use these sentences every day and you'll sound more natural.
Thanks for joining us today, amazing learners.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more English conversations every week.
And share this video with your friends who are also learning English.
Remember, every word you speak brings you closer to fluency. Keep learning, keep smiling, and see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.